Good morning, class. Last time you have already learned about the decimal form of rational numbers. In that, you have learned about terminating decimal numbers, recurring decimal form. Now, today we are going to discuss about the mathematical expression given in your textbook page number 41. So let us see what is it. An arrangement of number expressed using the sign of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called as mathematical expression. So see that in that it is given, addition is given, subtraction is given, multiplication is given, and we want to solve it. Now let us see how we will solve it. Now here two methods are given. In one method, that is Hausa's method, how she is solving, and in second method, that is Mangroo's method. So we will go through this both the method and see what is difference between the both method and whose method is correct. We will write it. Now see, I have written definition in notebook. In same way you will write the definition in your notebook. Now first we want to simplify. What we want to simplify? 72 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2. Now both the method, we will go through both the methods and find which method is correct. You will also come to know which method is correct. So first method, that is 72 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2. So what they have did, first they have divided 6 divided by 72. So you write here as 12 plus 4, which is equal to 16. In this method, in second method, what they will doing that, they are in the same way what they have done here, they have write this 6 divided by 72, which is 12 plus 2 into 2. Now so this they have added, that is 12 plus 2, 14 into 2, that is equal to 28. Now let us discuss and see whose answer is correct. For that we will go through the textbook. We got two different answers because the two child carry out the operation in different order. To prevent this, some rules have been made which decide the order in which the operation are carried out. If these rules are followed, we will always get the same answer. When an operation is to be carried out, first it is shown using the bracket in the expression. See that if there will be no rule to carry out this expression, then the answer to both number will be different even though the example is same. So we will go through the rules for simplifying an expression. If more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first in order in which they occur from left to right. See that first the operation is to be carried out. After that, addition and subtraction are carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. If there are more than one operation in the bracket, follow the above two rules while carrying out the operation. Now, when there will be a more than, see that if there are more than one operations in the bracket, follow the above two rules while carrying out the operations. Now, on applying the above rule, we see that Hausa's method is right. Why? Because she have carried first multiplication, here see that division, see I carry out first division, after that both multiplication and 69 answer is correct. Now let us go through these two problems. See that 40 into 10 is 400 divided by 5 plus 70. First multiplication, then division. When you will divide 5 by 400, you will get 80 plus 17, that is 97. Similarly, they have given you a bracket 80 divided by 50 plus 8 minus 3 plus 5. So 50 plus 8 is 23 minus 3 plus 5 18. So 18 as it is. First we will do your bracket. 23 minus 3 is 20 plus 5. After that you will go for the division. So here 20 divided by 8 is 4 plus 5 is 9. So in this way we are following all the rules how to carry out. Now remember that we will see first whatever given related to it, then we will solve the problem. Bracket may be used more than once to clearly specify the order of operation. Different kinds of brackets such as round brackets, square bracket, curly bracket may be used for this purpose. See that there are three types of bracket. You should write this all in your notebook, that is round bracket, square bracket, curly bracket may be used for this purpose. When solving a bracket, solve the innermost bracket first and follow it up by showing the bracket outside in turn. First what you should solve, a inner bracket is given and then follow it up by solving the bracket outside in turn. Then we should find it outside in the turn. While solving the problem we will see it. You will write all this in your notebook. Now let us see something more about this expression. The order of sign when simplifying an expression. Now expression means what? You have given, see that in practice set 25 you have given your example 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Here you have plus, here you have division and multiplication. This sign all together coming, which we are calling it as expression. Similarly you have big expression. This has to be carried out. So we will first we will discuss it. Now first the operation in the bracket. See that broad mass, BOD, you should remember in such way that first we should do a bracket, then of multiplication, whatever is given first you will follow by multiplication, then you will go for the division, then the multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here bracket, whatever in bracket given, in that bracket you will go for the multiplication. After the multiplication you will go for the division. After the division, then whatever outside the bracket you will go for the multiplication, then you will do it addition and subtraction. So following this rule you will solve. Now we are going to solve all the expression there. So in practice set 25 we will practice the more expression there, how to solve it. So remember that in your classwork notebook, when you will observe this video, write the definition of mathematical expression. Write this full page number 41, and what this next thing remember and something more. All this you will follow it and write in your notebook. Then in next video I will explain how to solve the problem. Until you should know the three different type of bracket, that is round bracket, square bracket and curly bracket. How to do it, follow all rule and regulation according to this expression. So until that you will, I hope that you will study all this. Thank you.